Hi, I'm Jason Hawes. I'm a plumber, and many of you might know me from Ghost Hunters. I understand you just bought an old house. Congratulations. Well, here's some tips to keep that old house new. In any house, new or old, you want to know where your main shutoff valve is. And this one's right here. My advice as a plumber is to replace these rubber lines for your washing machine with these stainless steel no burst lines. You always want to check your water heater. Average life expectancy is anywhere from 8 to 11 years depending on how hard your water is. But you want to check the lines coming in for any signs of rust or oxidation. You also want to make sure that there's no leaking coming from under the pressure relief valve. Another area that can cause serious water damage is the water feed for your Icemaker in your refrigerator. As you can see here, this copper line is in great shape. It's okay. This valve, on the other hand, definitely needs to be replaced. You want to check out your disposal. Look for rust and leaking water. Disposals last about 8 to 13 years. Contrary to belief, no plumber can diagnose a problem over the phone. So let us come out, figure out what's truly going on, and give you an estimate. At Roto-Rooter, we do plumbing and water cleanup. Yeah, we do both.